Store and search for Survey123. You'll see it come up right here, this green check mark box. You're going to install this. And I'm sure it'll look a little different for iPhone. But Allie and I discovered that it installs pretty much the same way and everything looks the same once it's installed. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it. You can allow while using the app, whatever the iPhone equivalent is. You do not need to sign in on this screen. You want to click continue without signing in. It's going to ask you if it's okay to use your device location. You can say while using the app. And then in the search bar at the top, you're going to either text or email yourself this link. And then you're going to paste that link in the search bar. And you're going to press the search key. And that's going to download the survey. The survey is going to give you an initial update whether or not you want to be doing in-person or observation. And that means you are in the survey. If you close the survey or if you come back into the app later, you'll see the survey listed here, 2023 point in time. I'm going to close out my survey app and actually show you what that looks like if you have to come back in later. So continue without signing in, and then you just click on that point in time survey and you press collect, and it'll start the survey again for you.